Hi, I'm Brett with LifeXMastery. Today's video article is going to be about how to attract with eye contact. Now, before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button below. This will help our channel grow, and YouTube will start displaying our videos in searches around the world. And if you want to follow us socially on Facebook or Twitter, you can find us under LifeXMastery, and we'd love to have you. Eye contact is kind of a funny thing. Growing up, I spent a couple years in a foster home with Native American influence, and it was disrespectful to look my foster dad in the eyes. But in society, and especially in business, people will label you weak, insecure, or unsure of yourself if you don't make eye contact. There are different types of eye contact that you can display depending on what your desired outcome is. Eye contact can make you seem dominant, it can make you look confident, it can be used as a seductive tool. But using eye contact in the wrong way, you can come across as mean or even creepy. But for the sake of this video, I am going to talk about how you can display the right type of eye contact to attract the person of your desire. Even if you have a hard time right now making eye contact with people, the tips I'm going to share with you in this video, as long as you make a dedicated effort to consistently implement these tips, you'll find making eye contact is a skill set that will completely transform and influence your life. Alright, let's get started. Mastering the power of eye contact is one of the most impactful skills you can ever develop. Eye contact can signal to others that you're a friendly person, that you're confident, honest, dominant, and capable of being helpful. It can even make someone instantly attracted to you. However, it's important to learn how to initiate the right type of eye contact when it comes to attraction. You want to give off the impression that you're somebody substantial. But with the wrong type of eye contact, you can come across creepy and unapproachable. Whether you are confident to make remarkable eye contact or not, the following 8 tips will help you make a lasting impression on anyone you are attracted to or want to get to know. Tip number 1. Be willing to try. Being scared to open yourself up with eye contact will only guarantee lost opportunities and misconnections with people you are attracted to or want to get to know. It's important that you become comfortable with consistently making eye contact with people, especially strangers. Smiling and saying hello can cut through social defenses that almost everyone possesses. The more you make eye contact with people you do not know, the easier it will become. Once you feel comfortable making eye contact with random people, you will become confident with eye contact with just about anyone. When the time comes that you find somebody you are interested in, eye contact will be easy to execute. Tip number 2. Relax. Looking someone in the eyes is not necessarily a comfortable thing to do initially. It may cause you to feel nervous and fill you with anxiety. Both of those emotions can instantly show on your face and especially through your eyes. So before deciding to open yourself up with eye contact, take a deep breath or two and just relax. Nothing bad is going to come from it, especially when you are coming from a genuine and compassionate position. Tip number 3. Be mindful of your body position. Turning your head to make eye contact is one thing, but turning your whole body and opening yourself up to the other person shows them that you're interested and ready to communicate. Turning your body to face them will also make eye contact feel more natural and will help you not to look away or down. When possible, be sure to position your body a few feet away from the other person. You do not want to stare at them from afar, and you don't want to get right up in their face. Just sit right outside of their personal space bubble and engage them with open body posture and soft, gentle eye contact. Tip number 4. Keep your eyes soft and gentle. While making impactful eye contact, you do not want to show a piercing, staring gaze. This could come across as hardcore and intimidate the person you're interested in. You can relax your gaze by breathing slowly and deeply, and if you're in conversation with someone, you can nod your head and smile occasionally as you're listening to them. This will show engagement and help your face to relax. Tip number 5. Give their eyes a break. Instead of looking directly into their eyes, which could almost look a little psycho, especially if you're not much of a blinker, try choosing a place on their face near and around their eyes. maybe the top of their nose, or right in between their eyes. You can even try shifting your gaze from one eye to the other, but not necessarily looking into the eye, but right above it their eyelashes or eyebrow. It's even been suggested that you should draw a mental image on their face like a triangle from their two eyes to their nose and gaze in that area. Tip number 6. Appreciate their face, not just their eyes. Making eye contact, especially for a lengthy period, can become exhausting. So, if you're engaged in conversation, try appreciating other areas of the face that will keep your full attention on them. You can look at their lips or cheekbones, you can gaze to their earlobe, or seek out freckles, and you can even look at their hair. But as you do this, do it slowly and gentle. Your person will still feel your attention, and your subtle gazes will instill interest. Tip number 7. Break it up every 10 to 15 seconds. While showing interest and engagement through eye contact, you're not obligated to stare at them the entire time. Break your gaze every 10 to 15 seconds to keep the conversation light and flowing. When you do briefly glance away, you want to do this subtly and slowly. You don't want to dart your eyes away and back again quickly, because that can turn out to be a negative distraction. This isn't a time tip, so you don't have to internally be counting the seconds. But just every so often, glance just past their face, or just look up to the sky, as if you were thinking, or reminded about something. And always bring your relaxed gaze attention back onto them. Tip number 8. Avoid looking down and away. This could give an impression that you're either weak or disinterested or both. Keep your head up, keep your gaze and facial features relaxed, and remember to nod occasionally and lightly smile from time to time to show that you're interested in them and what they have to say. When the time comes for you to depart and for you to say goodbye, make sure you do it while looking directly into their eyes. There are so many more ways to attract with eye contact, and I know you have ideas that you can share. So, leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below, and help other people around the world to attract the person of their desire with eye contact. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up.